The ultra-wealthy aren't just buying yachts or private islands anymore. They're quietly moving to countries you'd never expect, far from the headlines. From hidden tax havens in the Caucasus to digital freedom zones in Africa, these nations are rolling out the red carpet for billionaire families, one residency permit at a time. I'm Matt from WealthyReport. Today, we reveal the 10 countries billionaires are secretly migrating to in 2025, and why the rich always move first. Number 10 is Georgia, a rising star on the global stage and a magnet for crypto millionaires, digital nomads, and ambitious tech entrepreneurs from around the world. In recent years, this small but dynamic country has transformed itself into a hotspot for those seeking new opportunities in the digital economy. The secret? Georgia offers a 0% capital gains tax on digital assets, making it one of the most attractive destinations for anyone looking to maximize their crypto profits. Investors and innovators alike are drawn to this unique advantage, which is almost unheard of in most other countries. In a world where governments are tightening regulations and increasing taxes on digital wealth, Georgia stands out as a true digital-free zone. Here, the government actively encourages innovation and entrepreneurship, creating an environment where new ideas can flourish. The government has made residency refreshingly easy, with low investment thresholds, minimal bureaucracy, and a streamlined process that welcomes newcomers. Whether you're an investor, a startup founder, or a remote worker, Georgia opens its doors wide. Tbilisi, the vibrant capital, offers a cosmopolitan lifestyle, a low cost of living, and a rapidly growing tech scene. The city buzzes with energy, from bustling co-working spaces to lively street cafes filled with young professionals and creative minds. For the ultra-wealthy, Georgia isn't just about saving on taxes, it's about planting a flag in a forward-thinking pro-business jurisdiction. Discreet luxury, privacy, and a sense of security make it a preferred choice for those who value both freedom and opportunity. It's a safe harbor for digital wealth, where innovation is not only welcomed but actively supported, and where profits are protected by a stable, business-friendly legal framework. Here, your digital assets can truly thrive. The digital gold rush is on, and Georgia is leading the way, offering a rare blend of opportunity, freedom, and forward momentum for the next generation of global entrepreneurs. Number 9 on our list is Uruguay, a country often called the Switzerland of South America for good reason. With its picturesque landscapes, elegant architecture, and a reputation for discretion, Uruguay has quietly become a magnet for the world's elite. In a region often marked by political and economic volatility, Uruguay stands out for its remarkable stability, robust legal system, and strong property rights. Here, the ultra-wealthy find a sanctuary where their assets and privacy are protected, and where the pace of life is calm and unhurried. The government actively welcomes foreign investment, offering attractive residency programs and generous tax breaks, including a multi-year tax holiday on foreign income. This makes it especially appealing for those seeking to diversify their holdings and secure a foothold in South America. Punta del Este, the country's glamorous coastal resort, is renowned for its luxury, privacy, and understated elegance, offering a retreat far from the glare of the global spotlight. Uruguay's true appeal lies in its substance over style, a stable democracy, excellent quality of life, and a safe, welcoming environment for families to thrive. Here it's not about flashy incentives or quick wins, it's about building long-term security and peace of mind for generations to come. For billionaires and their families, Uruguay is more than just a destination, it's a generational safe harbor, offering enduring stability and a legacy of security. Number 8 is Malaysia, offering what I call quiet tropical freedom. The revamped Malaysia. My second home, MM2H visa, targets high net worth individuals, providing a 10-year renewable residency for those who qualify. Malaysia blends lush landscapes with modern infrastructure, and its multicultural society is welcoming and stable. The cost of luxury living is a fraction of the West, allowing wealth to go further. It's not a tax haven, but a life haven, perfect for those seeking privacy and comfort. Malaysia's political neutrality and harmonious society make it a discreet sanctuary. The world's elite are taking notice. Number 7 is New Zealand, the ultimate backup plan for the ultra-wealthy. Its remote location is now a strategic asset, offering safety and self-sufficiency in uncertain times. Strict immigration laws make access exclusive, preserving its appeal. Investor visas require genuine, significant investment, but the rewards are immense, pristine nature, stability, and privacy. New Zealand is not a business hub, but a life insurance policy. A place to ride out any global storm. Quietly, billionaires are securing their spot. In a world of uncertainty, New Zealand is the ultimate plan B. Number 6 is Greece, now a strategic gateway to Europe. The Greek Golden Visa offers affordable EU residency through real estate investment, unlocking access to 27 countries. It's a game changer for those with restrictive passports, providing freedom of movement and opportunity. Greece's economic turnaround and pro-business reforms add to its appeal. Investors aren't just buying visas, they're buying into a growth story. With stunning islands and a rich culture, Greece offers both lifestyle and strategy. For the ultra-wealthy, it's the smartest entry point to Europe. Number 5 is Switzerland, the gold standard for wealth preservation. Once known for banking secrecy, Switzerland has reinvented itself as a hub for digital assets, especially in Crypto Valley Zug. Clear regulations and financial expertise attract crypto billionaires and traditional wealth alike. The Swiss franc, political neutrality, and top-tier quality of life remain unmatched. Residency is exclusive and expensive, but the peace of mind is priceless. Switzerland bridges old-world stability with new-world innovation. It's still the ultimate safe haven for the world's elite. Number 4 is Singapore, Asia's fortress of wealth and efficiency. It's the region's wealth management hub, attracting family offices and capital from around the globe. Political stability, zero corruption, and a pro-business government make it a magnet for the ultra-rich. Infrastructure is world-class and residency is exclusive, creating a powerful network of high achievers. No capital gains or inheritance tax means efficient wealth growth and transfer. Singapore is prestige, security, and status all in one. For billionaires, it's the ultimate symbol of success in Asia. Number 3 is the UAE, especially Dubai, a zero-tax oasis for the ultra-rich. No income, capital gains, or wealth tax means you keep what you earn. Luxury, safety, and world-class amenities make Dubai a magnet for global elites. Booming real estate offers easy paths to long-term residency. The UAE's strategic location connects east and west, perfect for international business. Here, wealth is celebrated, not hidden. For those seeking maximum financial freedom and luxury, the UAE is unmatched. Number 2 is Portugal, a dominant force in wealth migration. The non-habitual resident (NHR) tax regime offers up to 10 years of low or zero tax on foreign income. Portugal's crypto-friendly reputation and vibrant digital community add modern appeal. The Golden Visa now focuses on active investment, not just real estate. With a fantastic climate, safety, and low cost of living, Portugal is the quintessential European haven. It's a smart, adaptive country that continues to attract the world's wealthy. For the ultra-rich, Portugal remains a top strategic move. Number 1 is Rwanda, Africa's rising phoenix and the future of strategic wealth migration. Rwanda's transformation is remarkable, clean, safe, and pro-investment, with corruption rooted out and business registration in hours. Kigali rivals developed cities, and the government is a true partner for growth. Rwanda's Digital Citizen program targets tech innovators and digital nomads, building a knowledge-based economy. Strategic partnerships and global branding are putting Rwanda on the map. For forward-thinking billionaires, it's a ground floor opportunity in a stable, ambitious nation. Rwanda isn't just an escape, it's a bet on Africa's future. The map of global wealth is shifting in ways we haven't seen in decades. Money, talent, and ambition are flowing into these 10 countries at an unprecedented rate, redrawing the lines of influence and opportunity across the globe. Meanwhile, traditional giants like the US, the UK, and Germany are doubling down, trying to maintain their dominance as the world's financial centers, even as new players emerge on the horizon. But the reality is clear. The US, Canada, and much of Europe are slowly losing their appeal for the ultra-wealthy, who are seeking new frontiers with fewer restrictions, more growth, and greater personal freedom. Take Mauritius, for example, an honorable mention on our list. This stable, bilingual tropical haven offers no capital gains tax, a welcoming investment climate, and a lifestyle that's attracting entrepreneurs and investors from around the world. The lesson here is simple but powerful. The rich are always early, spotting trends, making bold investments, and planning their exits before the rest of the world even notices the shift. This isn't just about chasing higher returns or lower taxes, it's about a fundamental realignment of power, influence, and personal freedom in a rapidly changing world. These countries are becoming the new arcs, safe havens for those who want to weather the coming economic and political storms, and perhaps even shape the future from these new centers of prosperity. The question is, as the tide turns and the world's fortunes shift, where will you choose to be? Will you stay anchored in the old world or set sail for new opportunities? Subscribe to Wealthy Report to stay ahead of global money and make sure you're always in the know, wherever the tide may take you.